What's going on, guys? It's been a while since I've checked in with you, but we got a new car here. So let me show you what we did. 2019 Honda Civic 4-door. We did the door panels. We did the dashboard. We also did the foot area. Right now it's on rainbow, kind of just like usual, show you the different colors that are available. We also did the rear doors. These kits are universal, so they can work on pretty much any car. The strips do get cut to length. Basically, whenever with the customer, originally we were going to just do the trim, usually kind of like how I do on a lot of other vehicles. We were just going to do the trim. Customer requested that we go a little bit longer. He liked the idea of going to this break point. Personally, I think that was a good move. I initially was kind of a little hesitant, but it actually turned out looking really good. Same thing on the rear, to the brake point, and then all the way back. The rear did not have the trim, and that was another reason why we kind of decided that. We wanted to kind of look uniform, you know, so even though the rear is a different style door panel, different size, not having that trim, it still looks very, very symmetrical. Feet wise, we did under the rear seats as well in the back. It is app controlled, so you can pick whatever color you want. Right now, again, it's on rainbow. You can select, I believe, zone 1, zone 2. So you can definitely customize it like that. Just like the other ones, it does have a shutdown sequence. I haven't set the color yet, but you'll see what it does here in a second. So it'll kind of go like that bluish, whitish, and then it will kind of just like power down. So the kit is capable of doing that as long as you wire it up that way. It's kind of the difference between constant power and a switch power. When you turn it on, it does do the little turn on sequence. And then it'll go to whatever color we left it on. Again, turn on and turn off sequence, you can select that color as well. Right now it's on a white. Like I said, these kits are universal. You can pretty much do any car. They're not the easiest of installs, so I highly recommend a professional do it. I've had a couple guys buy the kits. They do, some of them have done it themselves. They turned out great. Takes a little bit of work, takes some effort, takes some imagination on figuring out where you want to put the lights. So if you want some of these kits, I do sell them. Message me on Instagram at jakebradforddesigns. I'll get them shipped out to you. One other thing we do in this car I figure I'll talk about real quick is we did speakers. So upgraded the door speakers to some Alpine. We did Type S that just powered off radio power, no amp or anything like that. So the customer just wanted a little bit more clarity. The factory speakers just weren't giving it to them. We also added, this car did not come with tweeters. So we added some tweeters up in the door panel, which turned out really nice as well. Nice and clean. In the factory location. We also did the rear speakers, which are up in the rear deck. Again, just to give some enhanced clarity. No amp or sub or anything like that. Just upgrading the door speakers. If you got any questions on anything in this video, let me know. If you want a kit, let me know. Other than that, I appreciate you guys. Until next time. See ya.